Good afternoon, everyone. I am Dr. Shaviz Ali Siddiqui, Department of Mathematics, Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti Language University, Lucknow. Today we will discuss some definitions of matrices. In previous lectures, we were discuss symmetric matrix, skew symmetric matrix, and today we will discuss in base of symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix some numericals in front of you. Okay, so this is the question. Question number 1. Express the matrix A is equal to the I minus I, 1 plus I 0, 2 minus 3I, 1 minus I, 2 plus 3I2 as P plus I cube, where P is a real symmetric matrix and Q is a real skew symmetric matrix. So the solution is that here A is this matrix, and this matrix is I minus I, 1 plus I 0, 2 minus 3I, and 1 minus I, 2 plus 3I2. Now we will use this matrix A. We will find A dash. A dash means transpose of the matrix A. Transpose of the matrix A means first row A minus I, 1 plus I is we write first column I minus I, 1 plus I, and here we second row I 0, 2 minus 3I, and here is second column we write I 0, 2 minus 3I, and here 1 minus I, 2 plus 3I and 2, and here third column 1 minus I, 2 plus 3I2. So this is the transpose of the matrix. We use this formula. We use this formula. A is equal to the 1 upon 2 A plus A dash plus 1 by 2 A minus A dash. So firstly this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. We add this A and A dash and also divide by 1 2. So A plus A dash is equal to the, it means that addition of the matrix. Addition of the matrix only possible when the orders are equal. Here order is 3 cross 3. Here order is 3 cross 3 and A dash is also order 3 cross 3. So it is possible here, possible because two matrices, his order is 3 cross 3. So we add this A plus A dash. We adding this type first row first column add to first row first column, and this is second row second column add to second row second column, and so on. So I plus I is 2I and minus I plus I is 0. Then 1 plus I, 1 minus I is 2, and then minus I or plus I is 0, and then 0 plus 0 is 0, and here 2 minus 3I is 2 plus 3I is 4, and here 1 plus I, 1 minus I is 2, and here 2 plus 3I, 2 minus 3I is 4, and here 2 plus 2 is 4. This is I minus I and I minus I, ठीक, okay, I plus 2I, A dash, I plus I is 2, not I, this is 2, I plus I is 2, this is not I, here is 1. Okay, we solve it. Now divided by 2. Now divided by 2. So 1 by 2 a plus a dash is equal to the 1 upon 2 2 plus 2 0 0 4 and 2 4 4. This is the matrix 2 0 2 0 0 4 2 4 4. If we divide by 1 by 2, in 1 by 2 is a scalar quantity, so we divide all the elements in matrix. So we have 1 0 1 and 0 0 2 and 1 2 2. So this is the matrix of 1 by 2 a plus a dash. And second is, we will solve a minus a dash. So we have a minus a dash, a minus a dash. It means that 1 minus 1 0, then minus 2 and minus I. It means that minus 2i, and 1 plus I, then minus 1 plus 2i, then 2i, then I or plus I. It means 2i, then 0 minus 0 is 0, and then 2 minus 3i, minus 2 minus 3i. It means that minus 6i, and here 1 minus I, and here 1 minus I, minus 1 minus I, minus 2I, and here 2 minus 3I, and minus 2 plus 3I, then 6I, and here 2 minus 2 is 0. This is the matrix of a minus a dash. We will divide by 1 by 2. We will divide by 1 by 2, then we have 1 by 2 a minus a dash is equal to the 1 by 2 0 minus 2i, then 2i, and here 2i, then 0, then minus 6i, and here minus 2i, then 6i, then 0. So we have in this matrix also 1 by 2 divided by every element in matrix. So we have 0 minus I, then I, 0 minus 3i, then minus I, and 3i, then 0. Okay, so this is the two matrix. 1 upon 2 a plus a dash is 1 0 1 0 0 2 1 2 2, and 1 upon 2 a minus a dash is equal to the 0 minus I, then I 0 minus 3i, and minus I 3 0. So we put these two matrix in formula. We put this matrix in formula. A is equal to the 1 upon 2 a plus a dash plus 1 by 2 a minus a dash. So we have a is equal to the, this is 1 0 1, and there 0 0 2, and here 1 2 2 plus 0 minus I, then I and I 0 minus 3I, then minus I 3I, then 0. Here matrix A, this is the given matrix A. We express this matrix in two matrix. First is symmetric matrix and second is, here is I is common, then second is skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. We use this matrix. We will also check this because in symmetric matrix A dash is equal to the A, and in skew symmetric matrix A dash is equal to the minus A, and also all the diagonal elements of skew symmetric matrix are 0. So we see that the given matrix A is expressed the symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. Okay, thank you.